Tired of complicated cross-border payments and hidden fees when shopping online in Germany? First, download the Paypenny app from your App Store or Google Play. It's absolutely free. Then, create your account using your email address or phone number and follow the simple verification steps. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. This is where you'll add your German bank account details. Make sure the information matches exactly what's on your bank statement to avoid any delays. Now it's time to add funds to your Paypenny wallet. Select your preferred method. Often bank transfer or card payment is available, and follow the on-screen instructions. Remember to double-check the amount you're topping up. Ready to shop? Search for your favorite German online store directly within the Paypenny app. Many popular retailers are already integrated. During checkout on the retailer's website or app, choose Pay with Paypenny as your payment method. You'll be redirected to Paypenny to confirm the transaction. Simply confirm the amount, and that's it. Your payment is processed securely and often with much lower fees than traditional methods. Enjoy your German online shopping experience.